Greeting everyone, myself Kunal Patil on behalf of MVP Samujas KBT College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering. I welcome you all to this product survey of EV technology. I would like to thank you for Mr. Professor Yogesh Bhausar sir for giving to such a wonderful opportunity and guiding us through it. I would also like to welcome my teammates Vedant Pingle, Chaitanya Thakre, Vimlesh Yadav and Rahul Sabapati.
Hello, this is Rahul Sabapati, student of Mechanical Engineering. So today I am going to tell such a topic of electric vehicles. So talking about electric vehicles, before that let us know what is electric vehicle. So electric vehicle is nothing but a environmentally eco-friendly and has a electric power, so which has no fossil fuels.
MG ZS EV is 5-seater SUV available in two variants and single automatic transmission. Some key specification of the ZS EV includes boot space of 470 liters and it is available in 3 colors.
About the road price, our Hyundai Kona has a on-road price of 25 lakhs 13,000, and as I compare this road price with our MG ZX, which has a price of 26 lakhs, so there's a huge difference of I think around 1 lakh rupees. The charging point of the car, electric vehicle, Hyundai Kona has a huge range of 454 km per full charge, so it is a huge difference with our MG ZS, which gives around 419 km per full charge. So talking about the charging time is nothing but it takes 6 hours 10 minutes, and I think MG ZS gives around 8 hours to take full charge.
Battery capacity of the MG ZS is 4.5 kilowatt hour and that of the Hyundai Kona is 39.2 kilowatt hour.
Both cars, which is our Hyundai Kona and MG ZS, they both have a gearbox with a transmission of fully automatically with a single speed gearbox which has a single speed reduction.
MG ZS EV have torsion beam and Hyundai Kona have multi-link as the rear suspension. Steering type of MG ZS EV is power and steering column is tilt, while steering type of Hyundai Kona is electric and steering column is tilt and telescopic. MG ZS EV and Hyundai Kona both front and rear wheel brakes are disc brakes.
Last but not least, talking about the boot space of the both cars, Hyundai Kona has a 594 liters and MG ZS has something around 540 liters.
Myself Kunal Patil.
Myself Chaitanya Thakre.
Myself Vedant Pingle. So together we will be comparing 3 cars. First is the Tata Nexon, Mahindra e-Verito and BYD E6. The Tata Nexon EV is a 5-seater SUV. It is available in 5 variants and 3 colors. Some key specifications of Nexon EV include curved weight 1400 kg and boot space of 350 liters. The Tata Nexon EV is launched in Indian market on 20th January 2020. To summarize, some of advantages Tata Nexon are silent and smooth, drive sharp, handsome styling, full loaded with features, strong safety package, long warranty on battery and comfortable and specific cabin.
June 2, 2016, Mahindra has launched the e-Verito car. The car is based on Mahindra's slow-selling Verito, that is otherwise offered with 1.5-liter diesel engine like the E20. E-Verito runs on electricity alone.
BYD E6 is a 6-seater MUV available in only one variant and single automatic transmission. Some of key specifications of BYD E6 include boot space of 580 liters and E6 is also available in 2 colors. Build Your Dreams has launched the BYD E6 in India, an electric MUV. However, it is only B2B offering, meaning only business can place fleet orders for the vehicle, and it is only available in Delhi, NCR, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Vijayawada, Ahmedabad, Kochi and Chennai.
If we compare on-road price, relatively speaking, the Mahindra e-Verito is the most affordable model at 11 to 12 lakhs rupees. D6 variant feature here, and Tata Nexon comes in range at 17 to 18 lakhs rupees. XZ Plus Lux variant feature here, while the fully loaded BYD E6 is 13 to 31 lakhs rupees price tag available in market.
Nexon EV supports fast charging, takes having 1 hour 0 to 18% when compared to the Mahindra E Verito take around 1 hour 30 minutes with fast charging or 11 hour 30 minutes to charge 100% without fast charging, and BYD E6 take up 35 minutes to charge 30 to 18% with fast charging, 8 hours 45 minutes without fast charging.
Motor type is the Tata Nexon and BYD E6 are the same. Both are 3-phase permanent magnet synchronous motor, but Mahindra E Verito is 72 volt 3-phase AC induction motor.
When comparing battery capacity of vehicles, BYD E6 has 71.1 kWh, Mahindra Evolta has 228 Ah lithium ion, and Tata Nexon has 30.2 kWh.
Verito is the maximum power is 41.57 bhp. The maximum power of the Tata Nexon EV is 127 bhp. The maximum torque is 245 Nm. E6 maximum power is 93.7 bhp and maximum torque is 180 Nm. Maximum torque is 91 Nm.
If we compare range, which is one of the most important aspect which we see while buying cars, for BYD E6 it is 415 km, for Evolta it is 110 km, and while for Nexon it is 312 km.
Gearbox for the Tata Nexon is 6 speed, but for Mahindra E Verito and BYD E6 is 1 speed.
If we compare front and rear suspensions, for BYD E6 front suspension is MacPherson strut and rear suspension is race multi. For Mahindra Evolta, front suspension is MacPherson with a bone fish ring and rear suspension is Astron torsion beam with coil spring. For Nexon, the front suspension is independent MacPherson strut with coil spring and rear suspension is twist beam with dual path strut.
Steering column of Tata Nexon and BYD E6 are adjustable, while the Mahindra E Verito has collapsible steering column. Steering gear type are the same for all cars, which is rack and pinion. Comparing turning radius, BYD E6 car has 5.65 meter, Tata Nexon has 5.1 meter, and Mahindra E Verito has 5.25 meter.
The Tata Nexon EV, Mahindra E Verito, BYD E6 have front disc brake and rear brake type is drum.